No, I wanted to mention the lady that, I don't know what, she was the one who was talking there at the end, the kind of darker skin. Anita Morjani is her name. If you want one of the most fascinating reads, she was the one who had stage 5 cancer. She died. She had a near-death experience where her soul, her spirit, whatever, left her body, and she had an experience that was separate from her physical body. And she, for whatever reason, she came back into her, so she was technically, clinically dead. And then she had she returned to her body, but she tells about in this book called Dying to Be Me. Fascinating, one of the most fascinating books I've ever read. And I've read thousands of near-death experience stories. And hers is one of the best ones I've ever come upon in her book, Dying to Be Me. So the reason why I bring her up is when she was having this near-death experience, she got some instruction. She got some, here's what's really going on. And then when she said there in the end, you know, be grateful, spend time, do those things that bring you joy. Those were the things that, and it's interesting. Does everyone know what I'm talking about when I say a near-death experience? Not you almost ran into the tree. It's you ran into the tree, your body is clinically dead and your spirit leaves your body, and for whatever reason, it returns to the body, and consciousness doesn't ever end. They'll tell, and literally, I've read thousands of these stories. I've had one, a little one myself, but nothing like what she had, where she came back and she said, here's what I learned while I was not alive physically in this space-time. And it's one of the best reads out there, one of the best near-death experience stories. And that's why I say, we need to pay attention. Focus on that which is the best and the most.
Well, I think it just kind of goes back to being mindful. Like when she was in that position of being in a near-death experience, like she's saying be focused on the here and now and happy. Don't be planning for the next. I mean, obviously you have to plan a little bit, but don't be focused on, well, I'll be happy in 5 years.
Yeah.
And I'll do this in 10 years. Like, find happiness now. Live a full life now, and not plan for a full life later.
Exactly.
Because I think that's when people get diagnosed with illnesses. That's what they think is, where's my future going to be?
Right.
You know, that messed up my plan.
Yes.
Not like, well, I've lived a really full life and I'm happy now, so whatever happens, happens.
Did you read the book? Yeah. Every one of you would, and I don't get anything from it. I mean, I just read a lot, but that's one of the best ones out there, and that message that you're saying is exactly what she's saying.